Today we're doing pages 7 and 8. Let's begin with page 7. We'll start with 8, divide by 7 by 5, and then divide the quotient by 9. Divide 7 by 5 first, and then divide the quotient, so that's the answer of that, by 9. So we're doing that first. And then we're going to divide the quotient of that by 9. That's the only one it could, 7 by 5. Divide 7 by 5. Yep, it's that one right there. On to 9. Find the quotient of 5 divided by 8. They could say, find the quotient of 5 and 8. Or they could have said, find 5 divided by 8, but it's kind of redundant to say both. All right, I get it. 5 divided by 8, and then add 8. That's pretty simple. Everything is in the exact order that it's stated. Quotient of 5 divided by 8, 5 divided by 8, and then add 8. It is that one. On to 11. Find the product of 5 and 6, and then take that from 3. So we're going to find the product first. But then we're going to subtract that from 3. So we'll start with 3, and then we're going to take the product away because we're taking it from 3. 3, take that from, oh, can't be that one because that's times. Okay, find the product of 5 and 6 and take this away from 3. It's that one. Finally, number 12. Divide 9 by 3, and then divide 3 by the quotient. Okay, divide 9 by 3. And then divide 3 by the quotient. So 3 divided by the quotient of that. So that's going to be 3 divided by the quotient of that. It's got to be this one. 9 divided by 3, and then divide 3 by the quotient. So we're doing that first. It's in parentheses, so you do that first. But you've got to do 3 divided by the quotient. Got to be in that order. That's page 7. Page 8, right here, starting with number 1. Find 8 divided by 7 less than 6. Less than changes the order. We do that first, but we're taking it away from 6. This is how it's done first. It's in parentheses. Although division would come first anyway. 8 divided by 7 less than 6. Start with 6. Take away 8 divided by 7. That one there. Down to 7. Find a number that is 6 less than. They do not need that comma. Find a number that is 6 less than 23 minus 16. 6 less than that. So you're going to start with that and then take away 6 because it's 6 less than that. 23 minus 16. 6 less than 23 minus 16. That's there. We'll do 11 and 12 together. And there's more samples, and then you own your own. Find, take. That's interesting. Which word do we like better? That one. This one fits better. Take 3 from 17 and then take the difference from 23. Take 3 from 17. That's going to be 17 minus 3 because we're taking 3 away from it. And then take the difference from 23. So we start with 23 and we take away the difference. The difference would be the answer. 23. I'm going to say that if you pick this one or this one, I'll let you have either one. I'll accept either one. Take your choice. I'll accept either one. Yep. Number 12, find 1/3 as many as 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9. To find 1/3, you're dividing. You know that 1/3 of 15 is 5, right? Because you're doing 5 divided by 3. Or, in this case, you're doing 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. So when it says 1/3, basically you're dividing it by 3. So 1/3 as many as 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9 divided by 3. The better way to write that would be 8 plus 9 divided by 3. But, you know, what can we do?